Microsoft announced a set of principles aimed at fostering innovation and competition in the field of AI through its AI-powered Bing and Edge. These principles will support increased access for AI developers to cloud computing infrastructure like Microsoft Azure. They will also focus on open standards and interoperability, ensuring data privacy and security for both developers and users. They pledge to develop and deploy AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and do not discriminate against any individual or group. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the names of 4 astronauts who are part of India's human space flight mission Gaganyaan at an event at Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre in Thiruvananthapuram. The 4 astronaut designates selected for the Gaganyaan mission are Group Captain Prashant Balakrishnan Nair, Group Captain Ajit Krishnan, Group Captain Angad Pratap, and Wing Commander Shubhanshu Shukla. The mission aims to launch a 3-member crew into a low Earth orbit and bring them back after 3 days. Genesys International Corporation, an Indian geospatial company, has been commissioned to create a 3D digital twin of Varanasi, leveraging Genesys' new India map stack. Genesys, in collaboration with Varanasi Smart City Limited, will cover an extensive area of 160 square kilometers for the 3D digital twin. This project aims to create an accurate 3D replica of Varanasi, capturing its physical features, processes, and relationships. The Italian Institute for Environmental Protection and Research has selected Fugro to map the seagrass around the country. Fugro will leverage the cutting-edge technology and extensive experience in coastal resilience solutions to deliver the crucial mapping component of the MER project. The MER project aims to restore the marine habitats, fortify the national system for observing marine and coastal ecosystems, and comprehensively map coastal and marine habitats across Italian waters. The National Emergency Management Agency of Nigeria has launched a geospatial center in Abuja for early warning signals against disasters in the country. NEMA Geospatial Center is established to collect, collate, store, analyze, and display georeferenced disaster data. This is to aid efficient decision-making in planning, search and rescue, response, recovery, as well as disseminate such information for humanitarian interventions. The Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation, Microsoft's AI for Good Lab, and Planet Labs are teaming up to create high-resolution, constantly updated population maps at the University of Washington. The project aims to locate areas where populations are most likely to be affected by climate change-related risks. The collaboration uses satellite imagery, AI models, and spatial demography to produce accurate and detailed population maps. Skyfire Consulting has announced its collaboration with the Fremont, California Fire and Police Departments to launch the first-of-its-kind joint drone first responder program in the United States. The Fremont DFR program utilizes unmanned aerial vehicles launched from fixed locations to rapidly respond to public safety incidents. These UAVs, piloted by certified professionals, arrive on scene ahead of first responders, providing critical real-time situational awareness through live-streamed video.